Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to attach your sport keychain to your AirTag. So if we go ahead and take it out of its packaging, you'll notice that there's two sides to the sport keychain, one with the Nomad logo and one without the Nomad logo. The side with the Nomad logo is a single-use adhesive, and then the side without the Nomad logo is a microsuction. So we're going to grab our AirTag and start on the side without the Nomad logo, and we're going to attach that to the metal side of the AirTag. So we're going to peel off the adhesive film and attach it to that metal side of the AirTag, and then flip it over, peel off that adhesive film, and then attach the Nomad side to the white side of the AirTag. And there you go, sport keychain for AirTag. And the cool thing is, if you ever need to replace your battery for your AirTag, you can peel off the side without the logo because it's microsuction and replace the battery without damaging the product, and then you can simply reattach it. We hope that this video helped you. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for all things Nomad. Thanks guys.